World Heritage in 2017. Again, it's famous for stunning lakes, mountains, and charming villages like this one, which is Grasmere. It's a nice small village in the Lake District. So yeah, let's continue with the vlog. The restaurants, nice places. As you can see, there's beautiful mountains there. Nice houses, like I said. I hope let's take this way. It's quite beautiful, guys. So Christmas decorations already in some places. It's not a big village. It's quite charming and beautiful. Okay, let's continue this way. This is Grasmere, guys, in Lake District. It's part of Lake District, and it's part of the villages in Lake District. Beautiful. Look at these structures, guys. Beautiful houses. A lot of lodges here. You can come and enjoy your holiday in here. So Lake District, it's actually a touristic place. It's always full of tourists. Beautiful. So this is like a cemetery around here, and there's a church also. I think it's 12 o'clock right now, so there's a bell ringing on the church. Look at these guys.
Okay.
Small rain is coming as well. So this is part of the history here on the board. Christmas lights, Grasmere gather. It's a shop. Let's go this way along the church. Look at this, guys. Beautiful hotel alongside the river. Look how stunning it is. Beautiful. It has been there since 1889. Wow. By then, I was not yet conceived, I can say. Even my parents were not around. So imagine how old it is. Okay. A lot of shops. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, if you like this type of content. Okay, I saw something, guys. Let's see what's written here. Throw a coin to make a wish. Since 1825. I don't have any coin with me, guys. I was gonna throw one and make a wish in there. Look at this. Beautiful. There's actually a lot of hotels here as well, and restaurants. You know, since it's a touristic area, you can see all the mountains here. Beautiful, guys. Let's see. Okay. So guys, this is Grasmere for you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I have to drop for now. Catch you in another vlog. Thank you, guys. So guys, this is the other part of Grasmere. Beautiful.
Well, I'm gonna look at the shots.